Alright class, I'm going to be showing you how we are going to take those first steps in creating our website. So you're going to create an account, just use your regular email, your school email, and create an account on Weebly.com. That'll be super simple. I know that you guys will be able to get through that part. And then you're going to click Create Website. And then you're going to be pulled up to this page right here. So what you guys are going to be doing is you're going to be clicking I just need a website. You're not selling anything, so we're just going to click I need a website. And then you guys can pick whatever theme you guys want, whatever theme you feel like fits what you guys are going for, your aesthetic, whatever you think. I will let you guys know that like any of these pictures that are in the themes already can be changed. So what I would do is I would look at kind of like what the top looks like, the the menu buttons, that kind of thing, because that's really what you're going to be using for your website project, and you're going to be putting your own pictures and stuff in this. So just for the time being, just to kind of show you how I want the website set up before you start making all of your design choices and all of that, I'm just going to click something simple like this. You get a cute little theme preview kind of to see what it looks like, and then you're just going to click Start Editing. Once this loads, I'm going to show you guys how I want you to set up your menu bar, because I want everybody's to be pretty much the same menu bar. I think what it's going to do though is have you choose your domain. Yes. So what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to do BOR for Bill of Rights, and then your first initial, and then last name. And I already created a website. This is just a example to show you guys how to do the website the way I want you guys to. So I'm just going to add a 1 for now so it doesn't have the same domain as my other website. I'm going to search. And then instead of clicking any of these professional domains, because those are going to cost you money, we're just going to do a subdomain here. And remember, I don't want you guys to include the 1 in yours. That's just so I can show you guys this tutorial. So you're just going to click subdomain down here, and then you're going to click Done. And then you're going to click Reload Editor, and then it's going to get us started on the editing of the website. Sweet. So the only steps that I need you to take from here to ensure that everything is set up the way that I want it to be is you're going to click Pages. You're going to click Pages, and it's going to bring you to this drop-down screen. So first thing I want you guys to do is go and delete all of these pages that are already there. Just trust me on this one. It's going to be hard to kind of go through and add in your own information with all of this set up already, so we're just going to want to kind of create it from scratch. So then what I need you to do is click Add a Page, Standard Page, and then we're going to recreate the home page, and then you're going to go through this and delete the original one, and there should be a little home screen on it. Go and delete that original one. So now all we have is just the plain home page so far. And then what I want you guys to do is create a non-clickable menu. So go ahead and select that and type in amendments. Done. And then what we're going to do from there is we're going to create another page, and this is when we're going to start creating the amendment pages. So what we're going to do is click a blog page, and then we're going to name it Amendment 1. Click Done. And then we're going to, this little icon means it's the blog page, and I want you to drag it underneath the Amendments tab. Once you drag it, you see it'll indent in like that, and that means that on the drop-down menu for amendments, that's going to be one of your options. And we're going to just do this. We're going to click copy, and then it's going to create another one, change that to amendment 2, and then copy that one, and then drag amendment 2 there, and type amendment 3, copy, drag that into the indentation, and we're going to do this all the way up to amendment 10. As you guys know, we are doing the Bill of Rights, and that is the first 10 amendments of the Constitution. So I'm going to try and get through this really quickly. I will speed it up real quick for you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, and for this last one, we're not going to click copy. We're just going to hit this little back arrow button. And then what I want you guys to be careful of when you are dragging these, to make sure you don't drag it in an extra one where it indents in twice. See how this one goes in further? Just make sure you guys watch out for that so you guys don't do that. Then we're going to create another standard page. And this is going to be about me. So you have your home, your amendments tab, and then all of these are going to drop down with your amendments tab. And then you're going to have your about me page. So now that should all be in here. It is. So when you can click publish just to kind of see what it looks like as a regular website. Go ahead and click your link just to make sure everything looks right. Great. So there's your home page. Nothing's on it yet. Obviously, we haven't typed anything in. When you click amendments, you get your drop-down menu with all of the different amendments, and you will be able to go to each of those separate pages. And this is where you will include your information for each of those amendments that you are working on. And then your About Me section, pretty straightforward. Just do a quick little biography, who you are as a student. Maybe you can include some of your favorite hobbies and what you enjoyed most about doing this project. And then, once this is all done, you should have a website built that kind of looks like this. I'm going to take you to the one I already built for myself. I kind of explain to you guys. So this is the one I built for you guys. And then you can click amendments. This is how my drop-down menu looked. I mean, it depends on what theme you go with. They'll all look different. Then you have the About Me section. And then by the time you guys are seeing this video, I'm going to also include a how-to tab that includes this video you're watching along with the lesson plan information. So yeah, I hope this video was nice and instructional for you guys, and you guys kind of get a good idea of how this works. Really from here, you just kind of play around and edit your site. So this is where you'd probably type in Bill of Rights. And then right here on your home page, you're going to talk about what the Bill of Rights are. The Bill of... let's use proper grammar. The Bill of Rights are the first 10 amendments to the United States Constitution. And then just whatever more info you guys can think of about it. A few sentences will suffice here, and then you can include something, whatever you guys feel. So, I mean, that's pretty straightforward. And then you can drag elements. I mean, if you wanted to include some pictures, you could drag that to the drag elements part, and then you would click upload image and then upload from your computer, and you guys know how to do all of that. So just play around with it, have fun with it, and the cool thing is it's going to automatically transfer it into a mobile website, so you'll be able to share this with your friends, with your family, this cool website that you've built. I mean, obviously mine looks silly right now because I haven't really edited any of it, but yeah, just a really cool feature of this website, and I just hope this really explains to you guys how easy it is to create a website, and I hope this project is fun for you guys. So yeah, get started, make it fun, make it you, and yeah, just go for it. Alright guys, have fun.